About something super important, especially if you're in your 20s. I'm 30 now, and looking back, I wish I knew certain things when I was in my 20s, especially when it comes to building an online business and making money. So, if you're in your 20s right now, trust me, this video is for you. You don't want to miss this. First, let me tell you why I'm so passionate about this. If you're in your 20s, you are at a prime point in your life where you can make mistakes, learn from them, and still come out on top. This is the perfect time to start making money online and building a business because you have the freedom to try new things without as much risk. Trust me, you have time on your side. In your 20s, it might feel like you're still figuring things out, but honestly, this is the perfect stage to experiment and learn how to create a successful business. And the best part, you can build something sustainable and profitable while doing something you're passionate about, all from the comfort of your home. Let's get straight into it. Start now. A big mistake I see people making is waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect business idea. Look, perfection doesn't exist. You need to stop waiting for the ideal setup, whether it's the best website, perfect business plan, or the most elaborate marketing strategy. It's all about starting with what you have and learning along the way. Don't let perfectionism hold you back. Take imperfect action. You'll never feel 100% ready. Instead of waiting, start small, learn from your mistakes, and improve as you go. I can't tell you how many successful entrepreneurs didn't have a perfect plan in the beginning. They just took action. Tip number 2. Focus on value, not just money. In the age of online businesses, it's easy to get caught up in chasing quick cash. But the reality is, you will make much more money if you focus on providing value to your audience. Whether it's solving a problem, entertaining, or educating, you need to think about how you can serve others. Look, businesses that prioritize value are the ones that have long-term success. If you help people first, the money will follow. Your customers will keep coming back if they trust you, and you'll build a loyal community. Tip number 3. Pick a profitable niche. The internet is vast, there are millions of opportunities, but you can't just jump into any business idea and expect success. You need to focus on a niche that's not only something you're passionate about but also profitable. It's about finding the sweet spot between your interests and what people are actually willing to pay for. Take some time to research and figure out what's trending in the market, but also align that with your personal interests and skills. I always recommend looking for problems that people need solving, and then building your business around that. Next up, leverage free online tools. You don't need a big budget to get started. There are so many free tools and resources that can help you build your online business. Whether it's social media for marketing, WordPress for websites, or Canva for creating visuals, there are countless free platforms you can use to get your business off the ground without spending a dime. Especially if you're just starting out, don't feel like you need to spend thousands of dollars. Many successful entrepreneurs got their start with zero investment. Take advantage of free resources, and once you start seeing success, you can reinvest your earnings to grow your business. Tip number 5. Start building your audience now. Even if you don't have a product or service yet, begin creating content that attracts your target audience. Whether it's through Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or blogging, start creating value and sharing it with the world. The bigger your audience, the more opportunities will come your way. Focus on growing your community before you even launch your product. Building an audience takes time, but it's a game changer. The earlier you start, the better, because once you have a community that trusts you, you can sell anything. You're not just selling products, you're offering solutions. Here's a crucial tip. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your income streams is one of the smartest moves you can make. If you're starting an online business, it's important to explore multiple ways to make money, whether it's through affiliate marketing, selling digital products, offering services, or even creating a membership program. Diversification will protect you from relying on just one source of income. The more income streams you have, the more stability you'll create for your business. And the best part, you can still manage it all from one online platform. So get creative with how you make money. Alright, so there you have it. The top tips I wish I knew when I was in my 20s about starting an online business and making money. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter, leveraging the power of the internet, and staying consistent. But remember, the key is to start now. Don't wait until you think you have it all figured out. Start taking action today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos just like this one. And if you've got any questions or want to share your own tips, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep grinding, keep learning, and keep growing.